Here I have the Hatch Rest sound machine. You can see now it's playing some water. Here's the white noise sound. I absolutely love this hatch. This is a little smaller than some of the other hatches, but super convenient and easy for your bedroom. Just tap the top, new sounds come out, whatever settings you want. Lots of different settings, which is super cool. You can make it quieter and louder right here, and that's it. Simple, easy, no buttons. This hatch does not have clock on it. There's no way to tell the time. There's no lights though, which is kind of handy. I really appreciate that a lot. And easy plug-in cable here. Overall, this is a great sound machine and gets just as loud as you want, which is impressive. Lots of different sounds. You use an app on your phone to control it, or like I said, obviously just tapping. This button in the back here has the Bluetooth, so you can use that as well. So I really like the sound machine a lot.